Let's learn and grow. I is for ice cream. Let's make a 3-scoop ice cream. Now let's color it. Let's start coloring the cherry with red. We have 3 scoops, so we can use 3 different colors. Choose your favorite color. I'm doing green for mint, yellow for mango, and pink for strawberry. Let's color the sprinkles red and blue. Now let's color the waffle orange. Brown for darker shades at the edges. Now let's blend it. At the last, we will add dark shades to the scoops. This is amazing! Our ice cream looks very yummy. I'm gonna have one right now. When are you? Thank you for watching. For more videos, check the links in the description. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.